I've been working as a nurse in assisted living for more than 10 years with geriatric patients, and I've seen many different tools to use for transferring residents. The transfer vest has worked best for us. It reduces the risk of stress to our caregivers. We find that we have reduced the instance of injury for our caregivers drastically over the last several years when we've transferred over to the transfer vest. In the past, we used gait belts or just the traditional lifting, grabbing the arms of the residents, one caregiver or two caregivers. And with the transfer vest, that reduces the risk of stress on our caregiver. At the same time, it has the benefit of reducing the stress on the resident. So it's a win-win both ways. The resident benefits, the caregiver benefits, and the company benefits. The reason we like the transfer vest in our communities is, as opposed to the gait belt, which is easily lost, often placed incorrectly on the resident, the transfer vest can only be placed on the resident in one way. It fits the resident to their size. I believe that after we've trained the care staff properly, once they know how to place the transfer vest on the resident, it's impossible for them to misuse it. As opposed to the gait belt, where it can be placed in many different positions on the resident. This goes into the same position each and every time. In over 10 years in assisted living, I've watched caregivers struggle time and time again with elderly residents, trying to transfer them, struggling with each different person. And it's exciting for us to see this tool that helps our caregiver and reduces that stress on them. It makes the transfer look easy. Even when it's not. It makes it look easy. The caregivers are excited when they see it. What is that? Show me how to use it. They all want to use it and wish that there were more. Everyone who sees it, they ask about it. They want to know. The family members are excited about it. Less stress on that resident as well. We find family members, residents, home health companies, physical therapists coming in, seeing us use the vest. They ask us, what is it? How does it work? They're excited about it as well, asking where can they find one? Where can they get one? We've had employees ask, where can I get one for home? If they have an ailing family member, this would make my life easier at home or my family's life easier. And once again, it does help reduce the injury rate for our caregivers. Lifting is the most dangerous thing that they can do and the easiest way that they can hurt themselves, and it really reduces that burden on their back each time, and it's really about saving the back.